have a job interview in 45 minutes, 20 minutes away, and had truck problems. So, what do we do? Well, and you see these fools polluting the earth? We pick it up and we clean it up. I'm gonna jump in. It's what? Friday, May 20th, Whitehorse, Yukon. Figuring it snowed, what, 5 days ago? So it should be nice and warm. That ought to work, yeah. Y'all should be paying me. You get to see some stripping. Don't worry, even though normally I'd do this in the nude. I ain't gonna be that crazy for you. Thing that makes me laugh is many people would call this crazy because they're so used to and privileged to have running water or, like, you know, heat that isn't a fire. I have to build mine. Alright, let's do this, man. Right? B.O. be gone. I think it would have been more entertaining if I did it in the nude. But, you know, let's keep it kosher. For the children. Keep it irie. Oh, and then I dry off with my sleeping sweatpants that I train Kung Fu in. Because, for whatever reason, I can't find my towel. Probably because my truck's filled with work stuff. Anyways, that was refreshing and nice. I believe this is called Fish Lake. And while I'm standing here, I actually believe I found some jade. Try not to wet this up too much. See? We'll see. I gotta tink tonk it with my discovering device. My head. Okay, have a good one. Chimigwich.